Hi there, this is the new speaker from Sonos. It's the first portable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth speaker from Sonos. The name is Roam. It's like doing roaming from Wi-Fi to Bluetooth, Bluetooth outside, Wi-Fi inside, indoors. The portable smart speaker says here for listening at home and on the go. So it's the ROM. We're gonna open the box here. As you can see, the speaker is just arrived. It's totally closed. We're gonna open. We're gonna be the first one that we will open the speaker. So it's easy to open it. You don't need any cutter. You just tear this paper here from and the other down side, and that's it. The box is very nice from eco materials, eco-friendly, and here is the speaker as you beautifully lies inside the box. We leave the speaker for a few minutes on the side and we check the accessories. Startup. This is the startup guide, like the manual. Sonos Roam. What you do? Press the power button, download the Sonos app for setup. At a glance, stream over Wi-Fi at home, use Bluetooth anywhere. So straightforward. You can download the Sonos app or you can go and play Bluetooth. We're gonna check all these features and we're gonna check the speaker. We're gonna review actually the speaker to have an idea how it plays, how it performs. It's a mono speaker, has two drivers, one tweeter soft dome with neodymium magnet and a woofer. This is the USB Type-C cable for charging. You see here, the cable has an angle here, 90 degrees, for a better application on your speaker. So the rest of the box is empty. We're gonna check the speaker now. The speaker is this one. It comes covered with this case here. There is a sticker here, like you open a box of chocolates. One stick the sticker and one cover. This is a protection case as well for the dust. As well, the speaker, it's a waterproof, water resistant, dust proof, so it's you can have it all day with you to carry it around, to go holidays, to go vacations with this Sonos Roam. There is one button here. The rest of the buttons are up here, as you can see. I'm gonna examine the rest of the buttons. So we have a mic, because if you are in Wi-Fi you can talk to Google Assistant or Siri if you are having an iPhone. Minus plus for the volume, play pause here. There are 4 elastic pads here, because when you use the speaker you put it on the table like this. So always the drivers that are in here, 2 drivers as we said, they're firing up towards to the listener. So it's a good thing. You cannot, you can play it vertically. It works as well like this. Both pads, the up and the down, are elastic, so no slippery can happen. No slip, you cannot slip it. It's good because you see it grabs the surface here. You cannot move it easily. So that's a good, because it's a good resistance for the bass. In order to produce good sound, we need such a kind of stabilization. You see, if you move the speaker around, it goes back to the same position all the time, you see. So let's have a close look. You see the logo here, Sonos. So this button here is the power turn on, power on the button, and then there is the USB Type-C charging port, because you need to charge the speaker sometimes, even though it lasts a lot of hours. You see, it goes like this, beautiful. So the battery of the speaker lasts 10 hours. You can charge it via USB-C here, using a wire, or you can charge it wirelessly if you have a docking station that is an extra accessory and you put it there and you charge it like this. So there we have three buttons here, three push buttons, and then we download the Sonos S2 app for pairing Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. For the water we have IP67 certification. There is an indicator there for the battery and for the functionality, as you can see. The Bluetooth is 5.0 and the speaker accepts AirPlay 2 and as we said, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So the length is 168 millimeters and the weight is 430 grams. The connection was very simple, just tapping our mobile devices here on the speaker and then we have a connection. Now we are connecting to Sonos Roam speaker. You see the logo? This way says Sonos. If we turn it, says Sonos. So anyway, this speaker is a Sonos one. That's a very good idea, the logo. So during the setup, we found there is a new update for the Sonos, of course, because it's a new speaker and just arrived. So we have a new update of the firmware. So here we have the EQ. This app provides EQ, bass, to increase the bass, treble, loudness. That's very good. It's useful, all this. True Play, in order to auto True Play tuning with our environment. Volume limit, if we like to set this feature. Add a voice assistant. Status control. Touch control is the touchpad that the speaker has on it. We can change the name if we like, or we can, if we buy a second one, we can have a stereo set. It's very useful. I'm gonna try in the water now. The speaker is totally into the water. Let's check if it works. I'm not gonna put it totally inside because I'm afraid, but it works, you see, into the water. This is the new speaker from Sonos. There is an LED indicator there that shows Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, shows the batteries, shows all the useful information that you like to have when you have a speaker like this, which is a mobile, a portable. You can grab it easily and take it with you anywhere. So it's a very powerful speaker. We're going to have a listening session now to check the bass, to check everything. So we're listening now to some that was the presentation of this new Sonos Roam speaker, portable speaker, Bluetooth Wi-Fi speaker. It's a baby, it's a small one, but very convenient, very useful. You can have music everywhere, anywhere that you go. Traveling, staying home, going outside, going holidays, going to the beach, going to the mountains, going. It's a going speaker. So it's been supported by very useful apps, providing a lot of adjustments from true play, auto true play, to bass boost, or to treble, increase the loudness. Thank you for watching.